Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw with MarineMax in Venice, and this is one of our beautiful new, brand new for 2018. This is the 350 Realm. So this is a very cool boat. So what we're going to do is go through the boat, go over some of the options. As you can see, we've got the triple 350 Verados. This one has a beautiful, beautiful hardtop. It does have the optional sunshade that comes out the back. And just give you a quick overview. Huge cockpit. You've got your dive door on the side, which is very convenient, you know, for docking, or if you're catching some large fish, you can pull them through there. Lots of room here at the helm, and this one does have a small cabin as well as a huge lounging area up front. So this is one of the first models like this that's not necessarily a full cabin boat that gives you bow seating. So we've been real excited about it. So what we'll do, let's just kind of jump in. I'll show you some of the highlights here. And this is the first Realm that we've received, and with these particular options on it. So if you want to come on in, T, we can take a look at this. So right here we have your grill. This boat's pretty much set up for entertaining. You've got the grill right here. You've got your refrigerator. Plenty of room all the way around. Plenty of seating back here. This tucks way out of the way. If you did want to do some fishing, you've got raw water wash down, you've got fresh water, you've got a big recirculating bait well right there. We talked about the dive door before. Big fish boxes in the floor. You can also use it for storage, for ice or whatever if you like to. Naturally insulated with the hull design. Huge hardtop all the way around. We've got seating right here for the captain and co-captain. We've got seating right here for your guests. This actually rolls this way. So if you're doing some entertaining and stuff, this thing's awesome. So let's walk around the front. You'll notice how high the gunwales are all the way around. Very safe, especially if you have little ones that are on the boat. Up front, we've got our loungers up here, seating right here all the way around. Got your armrests for everybody. Down in the cabin, take a quick peek here. We're just rigging this one, but you've got plenty of room here in the cabin. You also have a fully enclosed head right over here if you want to swing down and take a look at it. All the way around. So we're pretty excited about the model. Going back this way if you like. So very, very unique and very versatile. So if you're want to do cruising, you can. Overnighting, you can. Fishing, you can. So anyways, recap. 2018 Boston Whaler 350 Realm. My name's Jeremy Bradshaw. Feel free to give us a call if you'd like to. The number is 941-485-3388. Thanks for taking the time. We hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.